Hello and welcome to the Coin Monitor. This is Manoj Dana. So, cryptocurrencies rebounded on Friday, led by Bitcoin amid buying by institutional investors at the start of new quarter as the fears of fresh default receded temporarily. So, Bitcoin, however, traded below $20,000. So, taking cues from the development, crypto exchanges liquidated over 65,700 traders in the past 24 hours, holding a total outstanding position of $230 million. So most of the liquidated positions were in shorts. In fact, short position liquidations doubled that of the long. That's what the analytical data is showing. And there is one more data which reveals that the institutional traders are no longer selling their holdings actively but buying relatively large volumes of spot bitcoins. So which pushed the index into the premium zone. And there is a big positive news as far as the big bulls are concerned. I'm talking about MicroStrategy and El Salvador's are both buyers of Bitcoin in the dips. So MicroStrategy has purchased additional 480 Bitcoins valued at roughly around $10 million according to a tweet posted by CEO Michael Saylor. So he's a big bull, as we have already known, and we have also met him in the Bitcoin Miami conference. MicroStrategy has paid an average of $20,817 per Bitcoin. So as of now, the company is holding roughly around 1,29,700 Bitcoins. So Bitcoin in its storage worth is nearly $5 billion. That's the update for MicroStrategy. So also El Salvador has purchased 80 Bitcoins at $19,000 each, President Nayib Bukele said on Thursday. So El Salvador is 55% down on its Bitcoins bet. From September to date, the country has acquired 2,301 Bitcoins for a total value of $103.9 million, but its portfolio is currently worth $46 million. That's actually the case because of the falling cryptocurrency market. So let me give a perspective about what has happened and let me take you through some coin-specific action and updates. So the value of Bitcoin has fallen 66% since the beginning of November, and the drop may not be over. That's what analysts are saying. Investors are getting liquidated left and right, and buyers to backstop sellers don't seem to be flooding into the crypto market right now, as we have seen a small quantity of the coins are accumulated by MicroStrategy and as well as El Salvador. So is the drop of Bitcoin a crypto problem or Bitcoin specific problem? That's what the time will tell. So it may be a little bit of both. That is something which we have to find out. So if you go back to the bullish thesis many investors have behind Bitcoin, it's that either an inflation hedge or likely a digital gold, which some of also is seen as an inflation hedge. The hedge part of thesis has fallen apart rapidly as inflation has picked up and Bitcoin's prices have dropped. So correlating more with the growth stocks rather than anything else. So while transactions are important for any cryptocurrencies, blockchains like Solana and Ethereum are attractive to developers who are building real businesses on blockchain technology. So according to Anderson Horowitz, States of Crypto reports Solana has nearly 1,000 mostly active developers building on the blockchain, and Ethereum has nearly 4,000. And despite being far the oldest cryptocurrency, Bitcoin has about 500 developers. So Bitcoin, the world's biggest cryptocurrency, was trading up by 1.6% and it was trading at $19,440. Ethereum to traded higher by 3.5% and it was trading at $106.5. So IC15 index of cryptocurrencies was up by 1.3% to trade at 25,550 points. Balance BNB was up by 6.2% and was trading at $222. Polygon Matic traded higher by 10% to trade at $0.48. Solana Sol was up by 5.3% and it was trading at $33. Ripple's XRP token traded at $0.31, up 2.3%. Cardano's ADA token was higher by 3.4% to trade at $0.46. Avalanche AVAX was trading at $16 at 2% higher. Shiba Inu was up by 4%. Polkadot was up by 2% to trade at $6.8, and Doge, the popular meme coin, is up by 4% and it was trading around $0.066. So let's get a technical view from our technical expert Milind Vaishnav. Milind, welcome on Crypto TV.
Ethereum will continue to face resistance anywhere between above 1070 levels and higher, because this trend line resistance is this particular trend line is falling in nature, and with each passing day this is sloping downwards, so it will bring the resistance lower the resistance level lower as well. Moving on to the intraday trade setup, yesterday while we were discussing Ethereum, it had gotten quite oversold roughly at the same time like today. You can see that this is RSI, which was in extreme oversold zone. So that led to a bump up in Ethereum. But however, if you see that this bump up this spurt came in the early hours of the morning and did not last beyond an hour or so. So we had two strong candles, half an hour candles each, and that spurt lasted for an hour, and on the expected lines it witnessed resistance near 1100, after which it has come down again to 1020 and 1030 levels as of now. So going ahead for the remainder of the trade, RSI has also made a lower bottom. So Ethereum basically continues to remain weak. So a spurt in Ethereum on day-to-day trade basis will occur only above 1070. If Ethereum goes above 1070, we can see some upside momentum, but it is again likely to face resistance around 1100, 1120. So upsides, if any, will stay capped at 1100, 1120 levels. And as of now, there are no triggers to go long. If any trade is to be contemplated, then one can consider going short in Ethereum with maintaining a stop loss of 1070, a completion of a candle above 1070. Let's on to a similar setup for Bitcoin. Bitcoin too was trading with loss yesterday, and unlike Ethereum, it had shown some resilience, because while Ethereum was down close to around 6 to 8%, Bitcoin was close to a negative gains of around 5%. Bitcoin has continued to stay in this downward falling channel, and whatever bounce that we see will be within this falling channel, and this keeps the broader trend on the downside. Also, it had gotten oversold a couple of days back, and that was the reason that after testing a low point of 17,800 odd, it has tried to bounce back just notch about 21,500 levels. However, it is in the process of making even a lower low, so it has not even shown the strength to go and test this upper edge of the channel. But instead, by rising midway, it has now gotten sideways to a mild decline. So overall, the technical structure of Bitcoin also remains a bit negative. Moving on to the intraday trade setup, roughly at this time yesterday, Bitcoin was trading in a quiet oversold zone, and yesterday I had mentioned that we can see some bump up. Again, this spurt came just like Ethereum in the very early morning trade, and with just two back-to-back 30-minute candles, this spurt lasted only for about 1 hour. After that, it has gradually declined, and it has lost almost 100% of its gains. So even Bitcoin is not offering a potentially good trade setup. If we take out the daily levels for the Bitcoin, it is likely to find its up move capped near 21,500 levels. So even if anyone is contemplating a trade, there is practically a gap until this side. But right now, it is not offering any technical triggers to go long or short. So if one is attempting a trade, either one can go long by maintaining a stop loss of 18,900, or one can go short by maintaining a stop loss of 19,700, whichever suits your trading style. But overall, by and large, both of the cryptos are looking quite weak, and I am very much of the opinion that all spurs, all up moves will either stay capped on the upside or remain very short-lived in nature, and ultimately they will get sold into.
Thank you so much, Villain, for giving your technical perspective and being part of this Crypto TV episode. So that's all there is in today's The Coin Monitor. This is Manoj Zara signing off, but keep watching Crypto TV for more such interesting updates. Thank you.